Hi everybody, it is Saturday afternoon and my Trendsend just came and I can not be more excited about it. So if you don't know what Trendsend is a styling service by the brick and mortar store called Evereve. Evereve has stores throughout the country. There are none near me. The closest one is 6 hours away. I'm excited to share that I learned through their social media and also confirmed by emailing them. They're going to be putting one in King of Prussia in 2024, and I plan on being there opening weekend. I said, put me on your distribution list. I want to be on there. I am very interested in being part of that opening. So I asked Allie to style me again. I use the main warehouse there. You pay them $20 to style a box for you. They'll ship approximately 3 full outfits for you. It depends on how much you tend to buy from them or not. And those 3 full outfits usually can be items that can be mixed or matched. That $20 gets applied to whatever you keep and return back what you don't want in a prepaid mailer, and shipping is free both ways. Thank you anyone who used my referral link. Once again, I received $20 off, 20% off each item in this box. I'll go over each item with you now. The first thing that I have are these earrings, all right? These earrings are by Evereve. They're called the Geo Gold, and of course, one size. My price is $30.40. The original price is $38. I did put one in because I wanted to make sure it wasn't going to be digging into my face. They're very lightweight, and no, it's not digging into my face. So here's the earring, and I do like them. I'm probably going to keep them, especially after I just put this one in. But again, I wanted to make sure it wasn't so big that the hoop would be digging into my face before I decided to keep them. Okay, so next up, I have on this cardigan. This is the first outfit. And by the way, Allie watches my YouTube video. So thank you, Allie, for watching. I appreciate it. What I have on first is this cardigan. This cardigan is by Sanctuary. It is the off-duty cardigan in toasted marshmallow, size extra small. And it is 57% viscose, 42% nylon, and 1%, when I write one here, I think 1% or 15% spandex. I don't know, some percent spandex. The color is called Toasted Marshmallow. The off-duty cardigan, my price $79.20. So multiply that by 1.2 to see what it would cost for you guys to purchase it. I do like it, but I recently purchased an ivory cardigan from Loft. So while I do like this, I don't necessarily think I need it. Okay, so it's a possibility. Next in this outfit is this cargo mini skirt in the color hazelnut size. They're calling it extra small, by Monroe. This is the first time I'm purchasing this name brand, or have tried on this name brand, Monroe. $102.40 would be my price. It's too small. It's too tight. I would have to go up a size, number one. And number two, I am bold and will wear mini skirts, even at my age of 54. I have no problem wearing mini skirts, but this one is a bit much for me. So here are my fingertips, and you can see how mini this mini skirt is. Like, I mean, I feel like I would show off the world if I bent over in this. So this is a no. Definitely not for me. Maybe in a size up it would work, but it's really mini. So if you're interested in this skirt, let you know, when they mean mini, they mean mini. And this skirt is 98% cotton, 2% spandex. The fit is nice, other than being a little bit too snug on me. I think it's like almost like indecent between the length and, actually it is indecent between the length and the tightness of it. So this is going to be a no as well. So no to the cardigan, no to the skirt, but this little sweater might have to stay with me along with these earrings. So this little sweater is by Evereve. Let's see if I can see what the heck it's called. The Bristol Stripe Henley Tank Brown Multi Extra Small by Evereve. My price would be $78.40. So let me come closer so you can see it. It's all these different neutral colors of tan and gray. It has the Henley front. It is a knit fabric, and it's 70% cotton and 30% nylon. And she told me to pair this outfit with a pair of clogs, and I actually happen to own a pair of clogs from probably 2 years ago by Steve Madden. So this is an adorable outfit, like it. I just can't do this skirt. It's just way too tight and too small. The cardigan, I like it a lot, but I'm gonna have to pass because I just bought an ivory cardigan. But I think I'm gonna have to keep this Henley top and these earrings. Alrighty, give me a minute and I'll try on the next outfit for you. Next up is the Libby Marl Pullover, multi-space dye, size extra small by Eve. My price would be $86.40. This is 78.2% polyester, 20, or actually not 78.2, just 78% polyester, 20% nylon, 17% wool. She didn't note that that I love the jewel tones and the fact that it's cozy and soft. She paired it with these pants. They're called the Margaret Pant and Henna, size extra small by Splendid. My price, $142.40. So the pants are definitely going to be no, not just because of price, but because I have a pair very similar to this that I actually got from Poshmark, same kind of color. They're not quite a wide leg. I think they're a straight leg, and they're White House Black Market. So I compared this look with it. She told me to pair this with a pair of heeled shoes, mules, and I actually have a pair of heeled mules in this color, so that works for me. So let's talk about these items. The pants are 69% lyocell, 36% cotton, and 2% elastane. The pants fit perfect. I like the pants. They're a nice pair of pants. Do I need them? No, I just can't justify them and the price as well. But I do like the way they fit. I like the way they feel. They're a great quality. If you're looking for a pair of pants like these, I would recommend them. The sweater, I'm kind of torn on it. I really do like the sweater. So when I first put it on, I pulled it out and put it on. It just looked like a big old box on me, all right? I just don't think this is very flattering for my shape. It doesn't have any shape whatsoever. It's soft, it's comfortable, love the pattern in it. It was on my wish list. She picked it off my wish list. She also likes it. I gave it that front tuck because I had to give it some sort of shape. And usually I don't tuck my sweaters just because I think they're kind of bulky. So I kind of gave it a little front tuck and turned it over a little bit. And it improved it somewhat, but I don't know. I know that I tend to like my clothes tighter the most, but I just feel that, you know, even with sweaters, I don't necessarily need them tight, but I just kind of feel this one is kind of shapeless on me. And even though the price is, I think, very reasonable for a sweater, what did I say, 86? Yeah, $86.40 for a really nice sweater. I don't think is that horrible. I think I'm going to pass on this because if I have to save some money, this is where I'm going to save it. You know, I like it, but I don't love it because of the fit on me. And I think this is an adorable outfit. I think Allie did a great job. This is definitely my casual work from home lifestyle that I like to wear, put together, but comfortable. All right, so yeah, let me give you the back look of this because I didn't do that in the skirt, which kind of was by design because I would have showed you everything. But this is definitely a nice look, but I think in order for me to save money and it's not a must-have, this one is going back. All right, give me a minute. She gave me a third outfit. Okay, up next, as she sends along, and most of these items are from my wish list, is this Georgina cardigan in the color oat, size extra small by Eve. My price, $86.40. Now, before, I just literally purchased a cardigan like this color, similar to the other. It's very close to this one, and the other one too, in an ivory color that I got from Loft. And this cardigan is 100% cotton, and so is the Loft one. And I'm just as pleased with the Loft one. So when I can save some money, I will, all right? So this is gonna go back, but I do like this cardigan. I do highly recommend it. It is more of a cable stitch style all throughout the arms and the bodice of the item. It has the tortoiseshell buttons. It fits me, I think, very well. I like pretty much everything except that skirt fit me well, and I think the marled sweater was kind of boxy on me, but I think that's just the style, and it's not something that I'm accustomed to on my body frame. So everything so far, except for the skirt and that sweater, fit pretty well. So I'm gonna save some money and send back the sweater, but I do recommend it if you're interested in yourself. With it, she paired these Breeze straight leg jeans in black, because I did ask for a pair of black jeans, by Edwin. My price, and I've never tried on Edwin, so I'm excited to try these on. My price is $134.40. So I read this label, I'm like, well, who are these Edwin? These are made in the USA, but with globally sourced materials. The materials of this particular denim are 89% cotton, 6% poly, and 5% spandex. They are a slim, straight leg style. I have to say no to these. I do want a pair of black jeans, but these are not them. I like the way they fit, but there's a lot of spandex in this. Between the polyester and the 5% spandex, they might not be a jegging style, but they might as well be, you know, with a little bit of a tighter ankle. I mean, and I'm trying to get away from that. So I had a whole bunch of those glued on pants, and I want something a little bit more relaxed. It doesn't have to be a wide leg or a boot leg, but the other ones by Every Valley I liked better. These are a little bit too stretchy and a little too snug on me. I mean, they're snug because they're supposed to be snug. I would not size up on these at all. There's a lot of spandex to them, and for that, they're just kind of like, you know, they're like a jegging, and I'm kind of avoiding that. But I do like the straight leg style. I like that there's no distressing on them. I like the deep dark black. I am looking for a black pair of black jeans. Just these probably are not the ones I'm looking for. And lastly, yes, she sent back this top because I've been missing it. So this top is staying with me. This top is the Lane Ring Detail Top in brown, size extra small by Every. My price would be $54.40. She was very excited that I requested it back. So it does have like a ring detail here. It is a off-center neckline, but it's very modest, you know, no cleavage at all, nothing showing. It's like a t-shirt material, but it's double-lined in the front, and it has ribbing, but it's not really, and it's form-fitting, but it's not form-fitting from the ribbing. So it is a rib material. Hopefully you can see that. And this is made as 61% polyester, 31% cotton, 8% spandex. And yeah, these are my items. I want to do a little try on with some items I have, and I pinned it here so you can see how I'm planning on wearing these items, since I only picked some tops. So give me a minute and I'll do a little try on for you. Okay, so this is why you'll see I'm not keeping some of the items. I have on my own pair of black jeans. They're supposed to be a boot cut by Pistola. They're a little short on me, which is why I'm seeking another pair to wear with heels. So these I'm wearing with my new loafers from Stitch Fix, because I think that's what I can get away with wearing these. The black top, which I decided to keep the second time around because I was missing it. Brown top, not black, brown top the second time around, and the loft cardigan. So this is how I would wear this. I like this outfit, and yeah, I'm glad to have the top to mix and match with my pieces that I have already. All right, give me a minute and I'll style the other top I'm keeping. Okay, well, I would love to have a tan cargo skirt. As a matter of fact, I have my eye on one on Stitch Fix, and I've actually asked my stylist to send it, so fingers crossed she can send it in my fix. But that particular cargo skirt is just not for me. It's just too short, and I would need to size up, and I'm afraid even if I sized up, it would just be too short. And like I said, I'll wear mini skirts. I have no problem showing my legs, but that was just way too short. Way too short. Can't show everything, the world my goods. So I decided to pair this tank with these Sanctuary cargo joggers that I also got from Trendsend probably back in the spring. So this also goes well with these joggers, this tan color. And I kept it on with the clogs, like she said, and I paired on my loft ivory cardigan over the top of it if I get cold. So I am extremely happy with these two items that I'm keeping. They mix and match well with my wardrobe currently. And I am going to keep the earrings too because I like them. All right. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. Take care. Until next time.